In this video, we will demonstrate how similar BricsCAD's panels are to those in AutoCAD. In the default workspaces, you will find appropriate panels docked to the side of the screen. You can find a list of all panels in BricsCAD by right-clicking on the ribbon, and you'll see you can show or hide them from here. You can also do this for different panels with specific commands. For example, Attachments panel open and Attachments panel close. In AutoCAD, you quickly get information about the entities from your drawings in the Properties panel. BricsCAD has a similar panel made visible by using the same keyboard shortcut as AutoCAD, Ctrl+1. After selecting an entity, you'll see that the panel updates the list with properties specific to the selected entity type. Working with layers is important to help make your drawings more organized and comprehensible. You'll also see a Layers panel here, similar to AutoCAD's. Here you can create new layers and set their properties. To set the created layer as current, click next to the light bulb icon. Now, if we create an entity, it will have the properties that we have set to the layer. Layers can be turned off, frozen, locked, and more. When working with drawings, you'll often need to attach files such as other drawings, images, PDFs, and more. Keeping track of the attachments is done in AutoCAD through a panel called External References. There's a similar panel in BricsCAD, but it's called Attachments. Here the files can be quickly opened, or you can attach additional files. In larger projects, you'll often need more sheets to include all the information you need. Multiple sheets can be handled in the Sheets Set panel. As with AutoCAD's similar panel, here you can quickly create new sheets, bring others from existing DST files, and you can open sheets independently to access or modify their content. If you come from an AutoCAD drawing environment, you might be familiar with tool palettes. This is a panel that allows you to quickly use tools and blocks in any drawing that you need. In BricsCAD, by default, we have palettes designed for sheet metal work, for hatches and drawing tools. You can also create new ones or even import palettes that better suit your needs.